What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2016 Audi A6. So I'm going to replace the engine mount. Both sides have issues, so the engine's jumping, so I have to replace that one. I have the parts. I believe it is supercharged. It is the supercharged one. On the side says supercharged, so yeah. I never work on Audi that much. I always work Japanese cars that much, not German cars. German cars, is they're complicated, they're not supposed to work that much, they're so annoying. So first I have to hold the engine before I drop the cradle a little bit to take it out. Toyotas, they're easier like this kind of stuff for sure. But German cars, never. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to take this cover off and see how I'm going to hold the engine. Just pull it up. I don't think there is other stuff going to hold us. This one is out. So there's a 4 to hold it. We'll see how I'm going to hold it. So every car is different, so okay guys, so going to take this 10mm off because the supporters bolt around here, and then there's a T25, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's under one, and then there's a clip down here. Going to take that one off too. Also, there's a clip down here, but not the other side doesn't have it, I think. Don't forget this pipe when you put it back later. Alrighty, now over here. So here they are. 2 bolts. Going to take those 2. There. So let me show you under the car. Let me try to show it to you. It's not going to be easy, but I will show it to you right now. Alrighty guys, so we took this cover down here. The size for the bolts, it is M10 for this one down here, and then down here, and there's 4 of them I believe, but on this car there are only 3. And then there's the Phillips too. Yeah, so I did disconnect this one. I think it goes on the support on the mount, both sides. Disconnect, just going to pinch it over here, and don't break it if you can. So first we're going to take the steering rack over this one, the bolt. Going to take the bolt out, and then yeah, I think I'm going to take this one. Maybe not. Find out if it works, but it's not going to be easy to record for you guys. So we're going to take this one. I'll show it to you. Let me take some of them and then I'll explain. It's the only way to do it. I have to take it. If it is my car, I will show you everything, but when I finish my lift in this garage, I'll record more because now I don't have that much space, so and I have to finish it today or tomorrow, this car. So I will try my best to record. Alright guys, I didn't record that much at all, I will say, but I took it off. It's not that much hard. I thought it would be harder. So these two bolts, I show it to you over here, down here, they're the same. If you mix it, doesn't matter. This one hold the engine and the support. It is M14, goes down here. Don't forget, I did forget, and then I did jack a little bit, and then I did it. And then I'm going to unplug these wires down here. There's a 2 bolt for that. Don't forget that one. Did that one, and then this one. These 2 bolts goes on there, on this one, and then there is a bolt on this side too. On this side, but I don't record because there's no space to record that much. And my stand is too big, and then I have to finish this car today or tomorrow, so I have to hurry. That's the main issues. If I have this one for a week, I could do it, but the support out. Only one side have issues that much, but on that side just starting. But this one's made in China, so I don't know if there's no codes. I have no clue if it works or not. It works, but I don't know how long it will last. That's the issue on this one, especially. This one is made in Germany, obviously. I think so. It is Audi, so it has to be made in Germany or somewhere. But this one is made in China from here. The customer bought it. I don't care about it, so it doesn't matter for me. It's not my car. If it's my car, I'll put the OEM one. I don't know. We'll see. But it's not my car, so I don't mind. I don't mind to do that. So now I'm going to put it back. So I hold it like this. I did lift it a little bit up because I'll try to record down there before I put it. I'll show it to you. And then to remind you, I disconnect the battery because I removed this one. There's a negative terminal goes on the car, so I took off that one because this wire need to be loose before I break it. I have to be careful. It's Audi, it's expensive everything. So, alright guys, now I'm the car. So this AC going to hold you, but you need to turn it and figure out how you take it out. I left this one, spin it, leave it here. On this side, the wires holding you, and maybe take this 30mm down here. But you'll figure out, you come out easily. I lose every bolts and nuts. For the steering wheel, you don't need to make it loose, but I did make it loose. So if you want to do that, one of the bolts. But it's out, so I'm going to put it back now. I will try to record, and I need to take this bolt, one of the bolt over here, because for the engine support, one of the bolts going to hold you, this one, so the whole thing need to come out. Yeah, but it's not that much. It's very easy. If I didn't record, I'll finish it sooner. But yeah. So I'm going to drop the engine down a little bit. Alright guys, all done. So I didn't record that much because I have to finish it today or tomorrow. I told you that part. This car need to come out. I'm going to take it today, so I already all done. Maybe in the future, if I found one, I'm going to record more because I have lift now under the car. It's hard to record and work, take me time. Otherwise I'm going to finish tomorrow, but I want to finish today because I have another car, my own car over there, personal car. I'm working on it. I was planning to say it, but I need it for now because my truck doesn't work anymore. So I have to finish this car first. So hopefully in the future I will have, but I did explain. When you put the mount, it's not going to be easy. It will be struggle. I did struggle a little bit. Yeah. I didn't do anything. I didn't record that much. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll say I replaced the headlights, but I'm not going to do the oil change. I'm going to take it right now. I'm going to test everything and then go. Yeah. In the future, maybe if I got one, I'll do that. I forget to tell you the mounts aftermarket, so check the connector, they're not the same, so you have to grind it. I did that and I put it in, but before you put it, check it. I didn't check that part, so check that part, or don't buy aftermarket, or buy good quality one. So yeah, until next time, bye.